Hello everyone, welcome to Automate Business. In this video, we will learn how to create contacts in the Automate Chat app. But first, let's understand what contacts are. The contacts section stores your customer information, such as phone numbers, custom fields, and tags. This information is used for sending campaigns, managing chats in the inbox, and creating customer segments. And why are contacts important? Because contacts help you manage all your customer data in one place. This makes it easier to send targeted campaigns, personalize messages, and track conversations with customers. And there are some important meta guidelines that you need to understand. Only add contacts who have shared their phone number and given permission to receive messages. Sending messages without permission or cold messaging is not allowed by Meta. So now we will understand how to add contacts in the Automate Chat app, both single and bulk. So first of all, you need to log in with your Automate Chat application. Then go to the Contacts button. Once you navigate to the contacts, you will have to click on the Add Contact button on the right side. Once you click on Add Contact, you will be able to see this contact form. You need to fill out this form in order to add the contact. Let's say I'm adding a contact over here. I'm adding a sample contact. Select the email field to enter the contact's email address. Enter your email address. So if you want to add any additional details of your clients like anniversary date, date of birth, you can add, otherwise you can leave it as a blank. You can turn this toggle on if you want to simply subscribe. Subscription is for the clients if you want to keep them in for the campaigns. If you want to keep them out, then you can simply turn this toggle off in that case. Then simply add the custom fields over here. We will understand later what the custom fields and tags are. For now, we will focus on how to add contacts and how to add contacts in bulk. Once you define all the details, click on Save. So here we have added a contact successfully over here. So this way you can simply add the contacts manually. Let's say, for example, if you want to add the contacts in bulk using a CSV file, how can we do that? So to add the contacts in bulk, you need to click on 3 dots, then click on the Import option. So when you click on Import, the system will show you the downloaded sample file. You need to click on Download Sample File. That means you need to download the sample file to upload the contacts in bulk in the Automate Chat app. Click the Download Sample button to get the CSV template for contacts. First, open the CSV file and add the contact details like first name, last name, chat name, email ID, phone number, and country code 91. Once you add the data, you can upload this CSV file to the Automate Chat app to import your contacts. Please note that the CSV headers are predefined, so do not make any changes to the header names. Now, let's see how you can upload this CSV file to the Automate Chat app. Click on the 3 dots, then click on Import. Here you have to simply click to upload the CSV file. You have to upload the sample CSV file in which you added the data from your system. Once you upload the CSV file, then you have to map the fields here. In the first name, you can simply map the first name. You can map the last name. In the email ID, you can map the email ID and the phone number. You can map the phone number, country code, and other fields. Once you select all the fields and map them, click on Import Contacts. This way, you will be able to import the contacts into the Automate Chat app. So this is how you can simply manage the contacts in your Automate Chat app. And then you can simply upload the bulk contacts. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. This article has guided you through managing contacts in the Automate Chat application, including adding individual contacts, importing bulk contacts via CSV, and understanding key guidelines for contact management. For more information, refer to related articles on campaign management and customer segmentation.